I think so. I really do. I think that too, man.
Right, we're going to play your second tune now. This is, you went in, you really dug in the crates to find this one, man.
Yeah. It's like, when I was like 11.
Oh, please.
Like LSD and all them DJs, man. And you, Fab.
Yeah. Don't leave me out.
Loads of peeps, you know.
Yeah.
Danny Breaks, man, and Suburban Base and Boogie Times and.
Yeah, what a label that was.
Yeah.
And you know what? The sad thing is, it's kind of like when people talk about back in the day, they don't mention Danny Breaks and them guys so much, man.
Yeah, they smacked it, man.
They absolutely smacked it. All right, go on, intro this, man.
Okay, this is Higher. This tune is a classic.
I was so high off the ground that I could see for miles around.
Check this out. Proper old school business. You got Fabio, you got Clipz in the house. It's the Radio1 Drum and Bass show. Time for some old school shizzle.
Radio1 Drum and Bass show with Fabio.
And I was so high off the ground that I could see for miles around.
Radio 1.
In the background, Sons of the Loop. What a name that was.
Yeah, right, man.
And a track called Higher.
You must have this on acetate.
Oh yeah, I think I have, you know. I think I have, man. So what's the future holding for you, man?
Right, this year, man, just trying to get a few more releases.